Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl, Mukta, Sorry Face TV host, doing big things tonight. Tonight, I'm supposed to be eating some macaroni and cheese with some corn, chicken. I don't have no fucking money, y'all. I'm low on cash. Food stamps, I get 200 food stamps, 900 in cash every month. And I'm just going low on cash, baby. I wish you guys could hit me up. You know, I'm fine. I'm getting ready for the summertime. But, I just want to say, all you guys in the city, I really talk about the same things because I don't really have much to talk about. But if you want to see me go to Brooklyn, I'm going to be riding to Brooklyn. I'm trying to get my surgery for my eyes. I have to get my eyeballs taken out and restored. I have to get my fingers shortened. I have to get my top or neck adjusted. I have to get my chest adjusted and sitting up. I have to get my arms augmented, my stomach tucked, my hips moved up, thighs and higher butt, my legs, 10 toes, and my feet straight. And I have to get hair plugs up here. But, oh, well, I just wish, give a shout out to Dwayne Carter. Baby, I just want you to know you will be such a blessing and you're so understanding and, your friends. Your love, y'all can't talk right now because I have to get my inside of my mouth adjusted and my teeth, and you know what's going on. But I know what's bothering you. I know the people who have taunted you, the people who have tried to hurt you, and it's nothing but a matter of defamation. They defamated the whole law to understand what they were looking at was understanding truth when they could have made it all all sense. And they didn't want to understand because their morals are poor. We're not the same people. We're Black African American people. Even though I am of the Hispanic descent, which I am of Dominican descent, and been with Latinos, there is nothing they can tell you to change the way you are not deprived in America. You can do anything you want to, do whatever you want with the flag, go anywhere you want. These people do not make us. These do not make any sense to say that Cherie Bird is such and such Islamabad and Princess of Islam and all this stuff, Islamic princess. People just say this stuff because they want to get in your head. But I just was nothing but selected and nominated to go for a spokesperson there at the White House to understand, to help people understand and the youth understand about my struggle. And I had the intellect and the potential to help people survive and to help people understand that, the striving life and poverty you can always overcome it. And even if anybody doesn't understand and want to say different and call me any names, it's okay, because I have to shoot for the stars and rise for everything that I'm going through. And I just gotta stay, local and unstress free. The strides you young guys may go through, one day you're going to look out the window and know it's all over. It's spectrum time where people are spying on you guys, trying to find out who you are, what is your understanding to me, what is your understanding to Christ, Lord King Jesus, who do you believe in, who do you understand. When they start to understand that you believe and listen to urban music and paying attention to these rappers, they will stalk you to understand what do you do for fun, what do you do for intercourse, extracurricular desires, things like that. When they want to see that shit, you just tell them, put this fucking middle finger in their face and say, fuck all y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to save all y'all niggas from what y'all going through. It's easy for me. I'm going to do it for you. Just pray for me. I love y'all.